Banshee Moon.
I... Uh-oh. Put it in the bag.
Today's the 20th.
Yep. Put it in the bag.
Put it back.
Before Grandpa Marty's birthday.
Help Daddy. Put it back. Help Daddy. Put it back. Put it in the bag. Good.
Yay! Staring away. Who's this?
Baby.
Yeah, that's a baby. That's you.
Baby.
Destin,
Pretty baby.
where's your ear, honey? Yeah. Where's your mouth? Show Daddy your mouth. Yeah. Where's your eye, baby? Show Daddy your eye. Where's your nose? Huh? You want to show me your nose?
Hello.
Destin, is this your nose?
Where's your nose?
Where's your nose?
Nope. Nope. Hey, do something exciting for the people back home. Don't put your fingers on the table right away.
Oh, she wants to taste the Windex, huh?
Mmm.
Hi, pretty. Uh-oh. Gotta watch those feet. Uh-oh, yeah, you fell down, huh?
She wants that dangly thing.
Mama.
No, that's
Mommy.
not
Mommy.
Daddy, Mommy. What else can you say, Destin?
Destin, can you say bear?
Can you say
Bear.
bear?
Bear?
Bird? She's looking for a bird. Look at her.
Yeah.
Mm.
Brr.
Bird.
Are you cold?
Bird. You say puppy? Say puppy. Say puppy. What are you thinking about, huh? Give Mommy a kiss. Give Mommy a kiss.
Go give Mommy a kiss.
Oh, careful.
Give Mommy a kiss.
Yes,
Destin?
give Mommy a kiss.
Give Mommy a kiss.
Aww.
Come give Daddy a kiss. Go give Mommy a kiss.
Give Mommy a hug.
Give Daddy a hug. Come on. Give Daddy a hug. You saying no? Huh? No?
No.
Fine.
Dadu.
Thank you.
Destin, do you remember that? Look. Look. Destin. Destin. Do you remember that? That. The painting. Look. Destin, look. Over there. Remember that? Careful. Be careful. Be careful. Coming to get you. What are you doing? What are you doing?